Hey Seaton, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO, just shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. Um, Gonna be honest, for Greensboro, you are doing really well. Congrats. Um, the As you said, the person who's doing it for you is doing really well. But just taking a look through your site. Um, First up, header, really nice. You got the logo, you got your click to call, you got all your drop downs about different products and services, which is awesome. And then, of course, they can go straight to the pages and the mission statement, as well as how long and why you should be chosen, which you have a lot of reasons. 40 years in business is always awesome. And then, of course, separate pages for the reviews, and then, of course, going to the service pages as well. So, as far as the homepage, you do have a lot of pictures and content that wise. However, what Google truly is looking for your homepage is about 1,500 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Now, what a keyword is those buyer intent words that someone will put into Google to find your specific service. Now, you might not have as much content, but you are doing something right, or your guy is doing something really right. Because when we put your website into Ahrefs, you're on the rise. So, two main things: the UR and the DR rating. The UR rating is the strength of your website, which is 16. The DR rating is the trust Google Places, which is a 2.6. Now, the way you build those up are with backlinks. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because that's super spammy. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your service. Now, sorry, I skipped a spot. What a backlink is any link from another website that leads back to yours. Now, another thing that's super important are those organic keywords. Those are those buyer intent keywords that I was talking about before. Now, the way you get those up is with having a lot more content on your site. So you have 136. So let's check out what keywords you are ranking for. So you're doing really well for what you have right now. So the keywords for Greensboro, you're doing pretty damn good. So Flooring Greensboro, 250, you're in the second position. You're getting over 10% of those people through your site, which is great. Usually it's 10%, you're getting above that. Greensboro Flooring, you're still in top three, you're getting 10%. Greensboro Flooring or Floors, same deal. So just going down, you have the tile, carpet, all of those, you're on the front page, which is why lower front page, you're not getting the 10%, but you're still getting some traffic from that. And they're good buyer intent words. So what I would say, your guy doing really well. I would put a little more content on so you can rank for more keywords, as well as you're pretty much getting the Greensboro market. So I would start expanding out, as well as I know on the GMB, you're right now as well number 7. So you're slowly making your way up with that as well. So keep it up, keep pushing, and yeah, I'll see you at the top. Enjoy.